Go ahead.
Racing.
Yeah, I go to
Total racing short shifter.
Nice. I Millie Rock on any block.
Come on, bitch, help me.
He's a bitch. Beep beep. Beep beep. Look at this dirty ass car.
Fuck you, you dirty Dan. Is what he's saying.
I'm Pinhead. Alright, so this is it before, guys. You're supposed to show him how it shifts first.
Bro, I already. Oh.
Can't even go into first.
He needs a new clutch, guys. Give him a break.
He needs more than just a clutch.
Alright, so that's first. That's just all the way up there. That's second. That's third. That's fourth. That's fifth. Racing mode.
You always gotta have that.
Hopefully this shit. OTO racing, short shifter. Hopefully this shit will shorten it. Autobots. Hold up.
What's that?
That shit is.
Yo! I know that's his shit back. That's the Civic that backfires OD.
How?
It just he revs it. He has a skunk 2 headers and rev 9 catback. That shit. As soon as he takes it down from if he brings it over 9 and then brings it down,
retard alert! Retard alert, class!
That's it. Just 2
Oh,
pops.
Celica.
Suckers are gay.
I remember. I thought that was a Supra for a quick second.
Bro, that even look like a super. Yo, if he hits my car, I'ma fuck him
It was
up.
from afar.
If he hits my car, I'm gonna fuck him up.
Let him.
Hell, it's a black
Hold up.
guy.
Because I don't know what I'm doing. What you want to do.
When in doubt.
Bro, we're supposed to be helping him on YouTube. Why are you gonna show him that we're...
Because we don't even know what the fuck we're doing.
Alright, but we can act like we know what we're doing. This is what this...
Just hide the video. Shh.
That's what a non-car person says. Fuck it, bitch. Let me... my nuts.
Get up with it.
No.
Marquise, get out.
No.
Alright, so we basically got the gist of it. It's basically supposed to sit like this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm running into a couple little issues. So that sits like that. Alright, hold on, guys. Basically got it. It's already in. We just gotta put the nut on this side and the Lochner on this side or wherever the fuck it's called. That's what they put on the paper. It's called a Lochner. But first gear, second gear,
Bro, the difference
third gear,
is crazy.
fourth gear, fifth, and then reverse. Dude, it's so short.
The difference is crazy.
Dude, look at this, dude.
You gotta tighten it more, though.
Watch when I get one.
You gotta...
automatic. And look at this short shit.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
What?
Retard alert, class!
Hold on, guys.
Look at this, guys. We did it. Dun, 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 dun.
Did it.
Alright, so that's good right there.
Oh, I'm telling. He said you can do that. He said you can do that.
Alright, now we gotta put the safety lock pin. My black pipes are awesome.
Where are they?
Awesome. Awesome in your trunk.
At least my wheels match, fag.
Nigga, if I really wanted to, I can have matching wheels.
Yeah, no, this gotta be tightened more.
I know.